Hi, I'm Ola, your personal English teacher from Much Better English channel. As I promised you, this video is for beginners, so if you have just started learning English, this lesson will be so much informative for you as it's about the basic verb to be. I'm gonna show you how to use it in affirmative, negative sentences and questions. Here we go. All you have to do to turn your theoretical material into your practical skills is to use it actively. No doubts, the only way to speak English is just speak English. And you can start doing right now. Don't believe me? Check it yourself. All you have to do is just listen and repeat. I, you, we, they. He, she, it. For better memorizing, let's do it once again. I, you, we, they. He, she, it. You have just learned the subject pronouns. What about the verb to be? You may know it's used to say something about the person, the thing, or the state. And it can mean to occur or to exist. For instance, to be a teacher, to be happy, or to be in America. Let's see how it's changed in present simple with nouns or pronouns and learn its shorter forms. Listen and repeat. I am, I am. You are, you are. We are, we are. They are, they are. His, his. She's, she's. It is, it's. Good job, keep working, and we are coming to simple sentences. Watch, listen, and repeat. I'm happy. You are nice. We are busy. They are at work. He's a doctor. She's pretty. It is cheap. You can see that the common use of the to be verb is to talk about names, ages, appearance, feelings, nationalities, and professions, especially when talking in the present tense. I suggest that you do a simple exercise to check what you have learned. Now it's high time to learn negative forms of the verb to be in present simple. Listen and repeat again. I'm not at work. I am at home. You are not here. You are there. We are not tired. We are busy. They are not in the park. They are at work. He's not a president. He's a doctor. She's not ugly. She is pretty. It is not expensive. It is cheap. What about short negative forms? This time it may be a bit puzzling because there are two possible ways of making negatives. Be attentive, please. I am not at work. I am not at work. You are not here. You're not here, or you aren't here. We are not tired. We are not tired, or we aren't tired. They are not in the park. They're not in the park. Or they aren't in the park. He is not a president. He's not a president. He isn't a president. She is not ugly. She's not ugly. Or she isn't ugly. It is not cheap. It is not cheap. It isn't cheap. Great! We are moving further. And now, questions. So in the question, the verb to be is put at the beginning of the sentence, like in the example. I am happy. Am I happy? You are nice. Are you nice? They are at work. Are they at work? He is a doctor. Is he a doctor? She is pretty. Is she pretty? It is cheap. Is it cheap? Now you try to make questions from the given sentences. My dears, thank you for watching this video, and if it was useful for you, support us with your likes and subscribe for us to be sure that we are on the right direction. Thank you for watching and practicing.